What if everything you've ever thought of, dreamt of, philosophers have pondered upon, from the many worlds to explore the top 10 theories about parallel universes, a number of realities, each slightly different from the one we know, where every possible outcome of every event defines a new reality. Welcome, my friends, to the concept of parallel universes. This idea, as mind-boggling as it may seem, is not just a figment of science fiction. It's a possibility that many esteemed scientists and philosophers have pondered upon. From the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics to cosmic inflation giving birth to bubble universes, there are numerous theories that propose the existence of these alternate realities. These theories, 10 of them to be precise, are what we will probe into today. We'll question the very nature of our reality and explore the mysteries that lie beyond the boundaries of our universe. So, buckle up and hold on to your seats as we journey through the cosmos to explore the top 10 theories about parallel universes. Imagine a reality where every decision you've ever made, or point of decision, picture it like this: every time in actions. This theory isn't just about us humans, except comes from the realm of quantum mechanics. It's a theory that suggests each and every possible outcome of every single event defines or exists in its very own world or universe. Now, don't mistake these worlds for planets or galaxies. They are complete separate realities, parallel universes, if you will, each branching off from a singular point of decision. Picture it like this: every time you make a choice, the universe duplicates itself to create a world where you picked one option and another where you chose differently. Imagine for a moment that in one universe you're sipping coffee at your desk, while in another you're having tea. In yet another, you decided to go for a run instead. It's a theory that challenges our perception of reality. It suggests that the world around us is constantly splitting into different paths based on our decisions and actions. This theory isn't just about us humans, or even about life on Earth. It extends to every particle, every quantum event that has multiple possible outcomes. It's the universe's way of exploring every possible reality, every conceivable outcome. So the next time you're faced with a decision, remember this: every choice you make could potentially lead to the creation of a new universe. In this theory, every choice you've ever made has led to the creation of a new universe. What if our universe is just a bubble and here's the twist: each of these bubble universes are the same. But remember, this is just a theory. This theory suggests that our universe, the one we know and live in, might not be the only one out there. It could be just one bubble floating in a cosmic ocean filled with countless others. These bubbles, or universes, are thought to be born from a process called cosmic inflation, a rapid expansion of space that happened fractions of a second after the Big Bang. But here's the twist: each of these bubble universes could have its own unique set of physical laws. Imagine a universe where gravity doesn't pull but pushes, or where time doesn't flow forward but backward. Mind-boggling, isn't it? And what if I told you that these bubble universes might be infinite? Yes, an infinite number of universes, each unique, each with its own set of rules, and each existing in its own space and time. It's like an endless cosmic bubble bath where no two bubbles are the same. But remember, this is just a theory, a hypothesis. It's one way of looking at the cosmos, a way that challenges our understanding of reality and expands our imagination to the infinite. Each bubble universe can be thought of as a separate reality, each with its own set of physical laws. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember, we might just be a tiny bubble in an infinite cosmic foam. Strings, the smallest building blocks of matter, might hold theory tie into the idea of parallel universes, well, each set of physical laws and particles. And here's the kick: string theory. This revolutionary concept proposes that the universe isn't made up of point-like particles, as we've come to believe, but rather tiny one-dimensional strings. Each of these strings vibrates at a unique frequency, and these vibrations give rise to the fundamental particles and forces that constitute our reality. But how does string theory tie into the idea of parallel universes? Well, it's all about dimensions. You see, string theory suggests that our universe isn't limited to the 3 dimensions of space and one of time that we experience daily. Instead, it proposes the existence of 10 or even 26 dimensions, most of which are compactified or hidden from our perception. These extra dimensions open up a whole new realm of possibilities. They could potentially accommodate an astronomical number of different vibrational patterns, each corresponding to a unique set of physical laws and particles. And here's the kicker: each of these could be a separate universe, existing in parallel with our own. In the context of string theory, the concept of parallel universes is more than just wild speculation. It's a natural outcome of the theory's mathematical framework. So, in the world of strings, the existence of parallel universes is not just a possibility, but a likelihood. In the world of strings, the existence of parallel universes is not just a possibility, but a likelihood. Quantum physics, the study of the incredibly small, occurs from the mundane to the extraordinary, and particles exist in a state of superposition reality. While it's a theory that's hard to prove it now, the quantum multiverse creates a new universe into the world of the infinitesimally small and the infinitely vast. At its heart, this theory suggests that all possible histories and futures are real and exist in different universes. Yes, it's as mind-bending as it sounds. Picture this: every time an event occurs, from the mundane to the extraordinary, the universe splits. The universe where you decided to have an extra cup of coffee this morning, it exists. The one where you became an astronaut instead of an accountant, it's out there too. Every decision, every random happenstance, every quantum event spawns a new, separate universe. This interpretation arises from the peculiarities of quantum mechanics, the science that describes the behavior of particles at their most fundamental level. According to quantum mechanics, particles exist in a state of superposition where they can be in multiple places at once until observed. It's like your cat being both inside and outside the box until you look. But here's the twist: the quantum multiverse theory suggests that it's not just the particles that are in superposition, but the universe itself. Each time a quantum event happens, the universe observes itself and splits into multiple universes. In each of these universes, a different outcome of the quantum event becomes reality. While it's a theory that's hard to prove, it's also one that's hard to disprove. It's a theory that opens up a world of infinite possibilities where every conceivable outcome is playing out somewhere in some universe. It's a theory that challenges our understanding of reality itself. So, the next time you find yourself at a crossroads, remember this: somewhere out there in the cosmos, there's a universe where you took the other path. And who knows, that universe could be just as real as the one you're in right now. The quantum multiverse creates a new universe when a diversion in events occurs. Ever wondered if we're part of a sophisticated hologram? There's a giant hologram, everything we think, see, and time and reality itself. It could mean that the dimensional reality is an illusion, a projection of information encoded on a two-dimensional surface. It's like watching a 3D movie on a 2D screen. We perceive depth and volume, but everything we see originates from a flat surface. The theory is rooted in the principles of quantum physics and string theory. According to this, the universe is a giant hologram. Everything we think, see, and experience is just information stored on a two-dimensional surface, projected to appear three-dimensional. Imagine a universe-sized sheet of paper. Now, every event, every particle, every bit of data about our existence is inscribed on this sheet, and the world as we know it, the 3D world, is simply this information being projected outwards. But what does this mean for us? If we're living in a holographic multiverse, it challenges our understanding of space, time, and reality itself. It could mean that the universe is far more complex and intricate than we ever imagined. The holographic multiverse theory, like all theories about our universe, is just that, a theory. It's a fascinating concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding and asks us to reconsider what we think we know about the universe and our place in it. In the holographic multiverse, reality is a sophisticated illusion. Infinity is a concept that can boggle the variations of particle arrangements. In other words, the infinite universes theory, these aren't just fanciful of the infinite universes theory. The theory speculates a cosmos so immense that it houses an infinite number of universes. Now let's try to comprehend that. The idea is anchored in the concept of space-time being flat and extending indefinitely. You see, if the cosmos is infinite and matter is scattered more or less uniformly throughout, it implies there's no end to the variations of particle arrangements. In other words, if you travel far enough, you will eventually stumble upon an exact replica of our universe. But it doesn't stop there. The theory goes further to suggest that not only are there duplicate universes, but also universes with every conceivable variation. Imagine a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct, one where gravity doesn't exist, or even one where time travels backward. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But according to the infinite universes theory, these aren't just fanciful ideas, but actual realities somewhere out there in the cosmic infinity. However, it's essential to remember that this is a theory, an idea born out of mathematical models and philosophical musings. It's yet to be proven and may well remain in the realm of speculation, but it certainly offers a fascinating perspective on reality and existence. In the realm of infinite universes, anything and everything is possible. Universes giving birth to other universes, welcome so strong that nothing, not even particle from our own, existing in its own space-time bubble or universes stands out for its compelling narrative. This unique theory proposes that black holes, those enigmatic cosmic entities, may serve as the birthplaces of new universes. Yes, you heard that right. Universes begetting universes. To delve a bit deeper, let's think about what we know of black holes. They're regions of space-time exhibiting gravitational acceleration so strong that nothing, not even particles or electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from it. Now that's incredibly intense, but what if, beyond that event horizon, the point of no return, something extraordinary happens? The concept of daughter universes suggests that the immense density and energy concentrated at the core of a black hole could potentially spark a Big Bang-like event, essentially giving birth to a new universe. This new universe, however, would be separate from our own, existing in its own space-time bubble, a daughter to our universe. It's a theory that offers a tantalizing answer to the question of what lies beyond a black hole. But remember, it's still just a theory, though it's not yet proven. It's a fascinating idea that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. In the world of daughter universes, our universe could be just one generation in an infinite lineage of universes. Could our universe be a mathematical structure? Fixed starting conditions, they simply exist. They're eternal structure. In a mathematical universe, reality is a mathematical. Our universe isn't just described by mathematics, but it is mathematics. In this view, everything you see around you, from the smallest particle to the vastness of the cosmos, is a part of a mathematical structure. The elegance of this idea lies in its simplicity. Mathematical structures don't require a creator or specific starting conditions. They simply exist. They're eternal and unchanging. They're just math. But the mathematical universe hypothesis doesn't stop at our universe. It suggests that there are other universes too, each based on different mathematical structures. Each one as real as our own, but potentially obeying entirely different laws of physics. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it means that we're part of a mathematical object. We're not just living in the universe, we're integral components of its mathematical structure. In a mathematical universe, reality is a mathematical object. These theories, each fascinating and mind-boggling, a concept that's as complex as it is where everything that can happen has happened and will, pushing us to rethink our understanding of existence. Infinite number of universes, each branching out with every quantum decision. We've pondered the existence of bubble universes, birthed from cosmic inflation, each with unique physical laws. We've grappled with string theory's suggestion of parallel universes hidden in higher dimensions, a concept that's as complex as it is captivating. The quantum multiverse theory, which posits that all possible history and futures are real in a vast quantum landscape, has pushed the boundaries of our imagination. Meanwhile, the holographic multiverse theory has presented us with an intriguing paradox. The notion that our three-dimensional reality is a projection of information encoded on a distant two-dimensional surface. We've contemplated the dizzying concept of infinite universes, where everything that can happen has happened and will happen an infinite number of times. We've explored the idea of daughter universes born from black holes, a theory that offers a tantalizing link between quantum mechanics and general relativity. And finally, we've touched on the mathematical universe hypothesis, which proposes that our universe is not just described by mathematics, but that it is mathematics. It's a notion that blurs the line between physical reality and abstract concept, pushing us to rethink our understanding of existence itself. Each of these theories paints a picture of a cosmos far more complex and fascinating than we could ever have imagined. They invite us to question our place in the grand scheme of things, to wonder if our universe is but one of many, each with its own laws, its own history, and perhaps its own life. As we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, the question remains, are we alone in the universe, or are there other versions of reality parallel to our own? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon with more questions than answers, or if you've learned something new today, we invite you to hit that like button. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these mind-bending theories. Which one resonates with you the most? Do you believe in the existence of parallel universes? Share your opinions in the comments below. We're all explorers here, trying to understand the vastness of our cosmos, so let's continue this exploration together. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated on our future voyages into the unknown. And if you enjoyed this journey, why not bring along a friend or two? Share this video with your friends and family. Let's ponder the mysteries of the universe together. Until our next cosmic journey, stay curious and keep exploring.